students, welcome to English World. This is Heman Nabdya, English educator at SBM Sarda Behar, Bhopal. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 1 from Flamingo, the last lesson. So listen carefully and try to understand fully. Lesson number 1 from Flamingo, the last lesson, written by Alphonse Daudet. Before starting lesson, we should know about the introduction of the lesson. So, the last lesson is about the preciousness of the language for the people. It is written by Alphonse Daudet, who was a French novelist and short story writer. This lesson is set in the days of the Franco-Prussian War, which had taken place between 1870 to 1871, in which France was defeated by Prussian, led by Bismarck. In this story, the French districts of Alsace and Lorraine have passed into Prussian hands. It describes the pain of the people when the right had been taken away to study or speak their own language. It also describes the attitudes of the student and the teacher toward learning and teaching. Now we have key points to understand the whole lesson. So these are the key points. The story is narrated by a French boy. His name was Franz. He started for school very late that morning. He decided to run away and spend the day out of the doors. He saw the crowd in front of the bulletin board. Usually it was a great bustle, but it was all so still. Reaction of his teacher, M. Hamel, and his dress. The thing that surprised Franz most was to see the people who were sitting back to the class. M. Hamel declared, "This is your last French lesson." He regretted for not learning his lessons attentively. Franz understood why the people were sitting back. M. Hamel's suggestion to little Franz about learning. He blamed parents for not anxious to make him learn. He blamed to himself for not teaching attentively. He told about the value of French language. He taught grammar, writing, then history lesson. Franz said, "Will they make pigeons sing in German?" M. Hamel recalled memories sitting motionless in chair. He was sad and crying, and something choked him. He turned to the blackboard and wrote, "Live la France." That means long live France. He showed his gesture. "School is dismissed. You may go now." In this way, he had finished his last lesson. Let's come to the explanation of the lesson. Before explaining the lesson, I would like to tell you about the author and the theme of the lesson. Author is Alphonse Daudet, who was a French novelist and short story writer. The lesson he has written during the Franco-Prussian War, in which France was defeated, and the two districts of Alsace and Lorraine have been passed into Prussian hands. The theme of the lesson is that what effect this had on life at school. He also expresses the pain that is inflicted on the people of Alsace and Lorraine by its conqueror by taking away the right to study or speak their own language. The whole story is narrated by Franz, who is poor and innocent from poor farmer family. He was not interested in study or learning. Instead of learning, he used to waste his time collecting birds' eggs or sliding in the Saar River. When France was defeated, order had come from Berlin that German would be taught instead of French in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. MML, who was the French teacher, declared his last lesson and told that from next day new master would come. The villagers were very sad and shocked. They were sitting in the back of the room because they wanted to pay respect to MML for his 40-year service, and they wanted to pay respect to their own language that was not theirs now. MML also talked to France that how he or other children were very careless about learning, how they have wasted their time. Now, where they have come out, everything they have lost. MML also blamed the parents and to himself. Parents used to send them to work on a farm or at the mill as to have a little more money, and even he himself used to send children to water his flowers. Sometimes he declared holiday for enjoying fishing. MML told about the French language that it was the most beautiful language in the world, the clearest, the most logical, that they must guard it among them and never forget it. That day Franz was realizing his mistakes about learning. He was understanding everything, he was getting everything, and he was thinking that if he had studied seriously, then he would be French master, but it was not so. That day MML taught grammar, writing, then history, then some rhyming also. But he was sad and he was unable to speak clearly because he was trembling with emotions. MML recalled all his memories, how he had spent the days, how he had spent his 40 years service. He was recalling everything about his garden, about the people, about the students, about his 40 years service. Everything he was recalling, and he was sad. He was thinking, how should I leave all these things at once? So MML was unable to speak anything. Finally he stood up, turned to the blackboard and took a piece of chalk and wrote as large as he could, "Live la France," that means long live France. And he made a gesture and dismissed the school and declared that you may go. In this way he had finished his last lesson. Here I am giving you summary and extracts. So go through the summary and extracts along with the question answers to score full marks. Finally, I am giving you question answers. So go through the questions and key points to write the answers properly.